Hi, this is Carol. This is Carol Care, or Care for short, and basically today what we're just going to go over is what is a headless or decoupled CMS, and we're going to do that via Recruit Cloud, and we're going to be using HAX CMS. HAX stands for Headless Authoring Experience, and so here we made like a website, and just like making things, it's pretty, self-intuitive. You make pages, you can edit the content, and it has things in the form of web components that you can kind of just like add. So say you want to add content, they have a lot of choices here. So there's that. So before going over headless, we want to kind of just get the basics of the JSON outline schema, and it's kind of shown here, but to make it clear, this is kind of what it's like. It's basically just what this itself is like a JSON object, but the way it's the schema, the way it's formed, sort of helps with what's the word? Organizing data and content. And so basically, HAX kind of uses a lot of JSON, but via a lot of more complex nesting, and that just so just so it can easily, more easily have content and kind of delivered. So headless is basically the content, or the content repository is separate from what is presented, and so it's supposed to make like the front end more interactive, and for data to be more translatable between the front and the back end when it is stored. How do I word this? Oh, my window went away. So basically, what is it? And this is going to take 2 videos. Okay. What was I on? Basically, it's supposed to make the front end more. What is it? The front end more. I'll just restart. So the head is more like the front end, and the back end is more like the body. So there's headless body, yeah. And so it kind of just makes it easier when separate teams, like a front end development team and a back end development team, are working, just because the content, the JSON content, isn't like worked into the code, but more so it's separate, it's headless. So you can reuse it for like any platform and like such and such. So that's really neat. And so looking here at the HAX CMS website, here we have a little blurb. And when we press, I believe it's Command-Shift-I, or you can right-click and press inspect. Yeah, you can press inspect, and going here, if you click the network, and then you click XHR, which is XML HTTP request, you'll get like sort of all the JSON stuff. And clicking here, you can open it in a separate tab. I already have it pulled over here, and this is just sort of like all the stuff, all the JSON and all the data and metadata that we have nested. It's pretty neat for things in the long run, and basically it lets instead of loading like the whole page, it loads in parts, and it definitely gives a more a more comprehensible experience, because it's not static and it's not hybrid, but it's not static and it's not dynamic. It's kind of both, to make the best of both worlds. So it's like hybrid. And so yeah, that is basically what headless and decoupled CMS system. Okay. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a good one. Yeah.